me and my presentation. Let's start off with this thing. Yes, now we are rolling again. It's 4:04 p.m. in my watch, in my clock. So let's start off with this thing. Okay. Now, in the last class, we were discussing these things. Isn't the method of tension coefficient? So, did anybody solve this thing? Solve this numerical? Anybody?
Yes, sir, I did.
I have figured out one thing. Okay, I'm telling you this thing. It was Ripon who was telling me all these things. Tithi also, you and some Shubhankar, all so
Yes,
three
sir.
of you were actually solving out these things, and you were getting discrepancies in your results, isn't it? In all the three problems which you discussed. In method of
Yes, sir.
joints also, I'm telling you, in method of joints, you have the problem. In method of sections, you also have the same problem. And most importantly, in the method of tension coefficient, where the problem is different, but again, the same problem persists. So what happened is, I just figured it out today itself. What was the mistake in our calculation? Okay, understand this very carefully. We actually did, all of us, including me, did a mistake in the calculation. Okay, the thing is, in calculating the reaction forces. Can you see this very page where? Can you see the reaction forces in this very figure? What are the reaction forces?
Wait.
Yes, what we had considered over here in the last problems, what did we actually consider? 45, sorry, 35, 35, right?
Yes, sir.
And it will be 25, 45. Why I'm telling you? In using, see, यहाँ पर देख लो. Whatever we were using, what is it? The third point, ये वाला point. Okay? ये वाला point ध्यान से देख लेना. The thing which is yellow colored and it is marked yellow color. Now, what are the equations which we are considering? What is the procedure actually? What is the thing which we want to do? We have to find out the reactions, okay? The value of the reaction forces. Now, what are the equations which we are using to calculate the reaction forces? Summation of H is equal to 0, summation of Y is equal to 0. But the thing is, there is another equation which is some moment. The moment equation we were not considering. All right. The moment equation was the thing which we were not actually considering. Yes. So just see this thing very carefully. Answer the close.
That means we did only horizontal and vertical, but
Absolutely. We did this horizontal vertical. Now tell me. I'm just writing in this space, okay? Hang on. What are the forces? What were the forces over here? Tell me. Otherwise I have to write it down over here.
vertical 70 kilonewton.
This force is how much?
70 kilonewton.
This one is 70. Everybody, please, 70 kilonewton, okay? What was this one? The horizontal orange colored mark force. How much was this?
20 kilonewton.
20. So we have to find out the vertical, sorry, this reaction, okay? Didn't we? We have to find out this horizontal, vertical, and this, like, all the reaction forces. So what is the reaction force over here? Tell me how to solve this reaction force over here. Now, summation of, see, I'm just writing it in this case, okay? This discussion has nothing to do with right-hand diagram, okay? This is all about thing. So summation of what is the summation of H is equal to 0, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what are the So what are the forces? What is the name of this point? Very point. This was F, isn't it? So the vertical, yes. So the horizontal force at F, I'm writing as HF, okay? The horizontal force at F, which is this one, which is actually this one. और इस दिशा में कुछ horizontal force और कुछ है? Any other force in this entire truss which is acting horizontally? Any other force in this entire truss?
20.
Actually, it's minus 20, isn't it?
Yes.
So therefore we can conclude it's HF is equal to 20 kilonewton, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
You can just conclude like this. इसको ना थोड़ा इस तरफ हटा देते हैं. Okay, clear everybody? What in case of vertical forces? बताओ. Summation of V is equal to 0. So what are the vertical forces available over here? Tell me. क्या क्या vertical
70.
force दिख रहे हो?
70.
And here reaction.
ठीक है चलो. पहले हाँ. So at the F point,
Reaction.
do you know what? Yes. What is the F point? This is the F point. Okay. This is actually point F, isn't it? Isn't it? This is point F. इसका जो ये बनेगा, reaction बनेगा, won't it be VF? Yes or no?
Yes.
The vertical
Yes.
force is present at this point. Similarly, उस तरफ क्या होगा? Is this force? Tell me. What is this point actually? What was this point? T. It will be VD. Yes or no?
Yes.
Simple सी बात है.
VB.
हाँ.
VD.
And this will be HF. Horizontal force at the point F. As simple as the notation. Okay. So VF plus VD is equal to how much? Oh, 70, isn't it?
70.
70.
This one. Now another thing is summation of the moment. Yes, at any point, the moment at any point should be equal to 0. Sorry, I'm sorry. It should be around any point is 0. So can you name any point around this thing? मानो कि ये सब अंदर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. इसके अंदर ये जो line है, this is not present. Any point would you like to take? Around which point would you like
Point
to take?
F, sir.
चलो around F ही ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? यहाँ पर F point है, यहाँ पर D point होगा. तो देख लो, M, but the moment around this very point will actually be is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 0.
Calculate the moment around this point F. किस forces के लिए actually the moment will generate at this point F? Will HF generate any moment at point F?
No. No.
No, sir. No, sir.
Will this force generate any moment
No.
at this very point F? No, because it is directly passing through the point. Will this
No,
force,
no distance is there.
yes, will the vertical force, this wala, ye wala, will it also generate anything, any moment around
No.
this point? No, because
No.
both of them are actually passing through this point. But for what the moment can be generated? For this 20 kilonewton
20.
force.
20 into 3.
For
I
the
mean,
70 also?
distance.
Yes, for the
Yes.
70 also, and for this video. This stuff.
Mm.
So there are three forces which are actually responsible for creating a moment around that point F. Clear everyone this discussion? Everybody?
Yes.
कर लो. 20 into what was the distance? 3
3.
होगा. And is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Positive or negative? मैंने क्या बोला था? Point जो है, point से you draw a line towards the force. Okay. And now just imagine ये direction कैसा आ रहा है?
Clockwise. Clockwise.
Isn't it a clockwise direction? So if it is clockwise, then it is positive. Okay. 6 plus 23. Next, 70 into
Clockwise होगा 3.
70 into
6
3. And ये भी क्या हो रहा है? And see, this
clockwise.
70.
हाँ.
Yes. This force is actually acting like this. The line of the force is this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The line of force is actually like this, yes or no? चाहे तुम इसको छोटा बड़ा कुछ भी कर सकते हो. The line of action is this, no? Actually, this is the force, 70 kN. So what I do is, I'll just from that very point, I draw a line. And now see what is the direction. Again, it is clockwise, so it will be plus. Clear, everybody? What I actually did? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yeah.
All right. So ये हो गया. और दूसरा और तीसरा कोई force है? Yes, there is one force also. Which
VD.
is VD. We do not know if it is
Into 6.
into
6.
Now it will be positive or negative.
Negative, sir.
Why negative? Because
Sir, yes,
यहाँ
sir.
से आकर ये से करो और इसको थोड़ा एक्सटेंड भी कर दो. इसका लाइन एक्सटेंड करने से कुछ नहीं बिगड़ता. जो लाइन है, if I just increase or extend this line like this, so what is the direction now? Isn't it anti-clockwise? It is negative. Is equal to 0. Follow. So therefore, how much is VD? The only thing which is actually how much is VD? 20 plus 70 is 90. 45. It will be 40.
45, I think.
Any problem
Yes,
in understanding? Any problem in understanding anything regarding this very discussion?
सर समेशन ए या समेशन बी क्या सर आरेक पर बुझे था सर
Summation A and summation B.
ना ना horizontal
अच्छा,
forces सर vertical forces
अच्छा. Okay, fine. Our concept is turn off your microphone. Okay. Horizontal forces. It's a very plain, simple physics formula. Okay. Sum of all the horizontal forces acting on this very truss is 0. मुझे अंदर क्या चल रहा है मुझे देखना नहीं है. All the forces which are actually generating from the outside. That any like see. Whatever forces are outside, we are considering all these things. Okay. Actually, the truss looks like this. But we are not considering all these interior sections. We're considering this as an entire entity, a single unit, and we will be solving that. Okay. Now, what are the horizontal forces acting in this case? What are the two horizontal forces? Can you see? This is one horizontal force. This is one horizontal force. And this is one horizontal force. This green color and this orange color, these two things are the only two horizontal forces which are active. Now HF, if I'm considering this direction as positive, so see 20 kilonewton is acting on the reverse direction. And that is why plus HF minus 20 is equal to 0. Clear? So HF is equal to 20 kilonewton. It's very clear. Simple si baat hai. And horizontal vertical forces matlab kya? Vertical forces, how many vertical forces are there? There are two green colored lines which is directing towards the up. And there is one orange colored line which is directing towards the down. So for the truss to remain stable, isn't it? इसके दोनों का summation same होना चाहिए. Now ये जो 70 है तो इन दोनों का मिला के भी 70 होना चाहिए ना. Otherwise a force will be generated and due to that the truss will move like this. The truss will start moving like this. It will start moving like this. So for that, so that it doesn't happen, this 70 kilonewton should be the summation of VD and VF. And which is the thing which you have written over here. Clear, everybody? Or clear that very person who told me about this?
yes sir
Sir, if we calculate the moment from point F, then isn't it the distance will be 6 up to 70 kilonewton?
No? Why? Why it will be 6? 70 kilonewton line of action. What is the line of action of 70 kilonewton? Isn't it this?
Okay.
And how much is this distance? Isn't it 3?
3. Okay, sir. Calculated from the line of action.
Absolutely.
স্যার VB into 6 কেন হয়েছে স্যার?
VD into 6, okay.
হ্যাঁ
How much is this distance, the entire distance? ये से लेके यहाँ तक कितना है? देख लो 3 meters plus 3 meters, isn't it? And VD is acting. See, this force, this VD force is situated how far from point F? Point F से ये वाला point से how far is this is vertically located? What is the distance? Exactly. That is why the force into the distance. That's it. Clear, पक्का? अभी clear हो गया?
हाँ सर
Now that is the reason why we were getting actually disputed results. What I have calculated was, since there was no action over here, since there was no no other vertical force, apparently I was thinking and I was actually deriving those things. क्या ये भी 35 होगा, ये भी 35 होगा? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. तुम देख लो ना, तुम्हारे just your sense of action देख लो ना. If somebody, suppose you're standing as it is, and somebody is pushing your head. Everybody imagine this. You're standing, and somebody is pushing your head from left hand to right hand. मतलब left से लेके right तक. So won't your right hand or right leg feel the pressure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm standing like this. Where is it? Where am I? Tell me. This is me, okay? And somebody is pushing me from here, isn't it? So won't my right side portion, won't my right or this side of the right leg feel much pressure compared to the left leg?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means the feeling मतलब क्या है? यहाँ मेरा right leg is actually having much more reaction force from the ground than the left leg. And exactly the same scenario is happening over here, na? Exactly the same scenario is happening over here. Suppose you're carrying something on your head, and at that very point only, उसी हालत में तुमको कोई ऐसा एक force दे दिया. So obviously, whatever happens, your right side will be actually much more affected than your left side, isn't it? And exactly the reason why, can you see? The right hand reaction is much more than the left hand reaction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And that is the reason why. It's basic science, and which we actually did overlook. And that is the reason why you are getting discrepancy in results, okay? So clear everyone, what was the point of confusion actually? What was actually our point of confusion? Everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear everybody? So
Yes, sir.
what I'll do is, it's a small thing, and let me complete the discussion of method of tension coefficient, this thing using these reaction equations. Okay, let me complete it. यहाँ पर since इसको आधा खत्म करके छोड़ दिया, and इसका मैंने correct भी कर लिया, ठीक है? See, you can see all the results over here are actually rectified results, as you can see over here. Please take it down, okay? Whoever has solved this thing, इसको rectify करते करते जाओ. I have already done this thing, and I need to consider those valuations in the next part of discussion. So let me complete this, and in the next or later half of the classes, I will discuss the rectified sections of method of section and method of joints. Okay, I will discuss that. तभी जाके सबको यकीन आ जाएगा कि हाँ हम लोग इस दिशा में गलत थे. ठीक है? So everybody, can you see this thing? Everybody, is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see the point of rectifications देख लो. Point of rectifications देख लो यहाँ पर. ये जो मैंने 9 किलोमीटर यहाँ पर लिखा है, this वाला. Everybody, can you see? ये 9 किलोन्यूटन was actually how much? कितना था हम लोग का पहले कैलकुलेशन में? How much was it? It was actually 27, isn't it? 9.
Okay, okay.
ये 9 वाला. Yes, 9 वाला was actually 27 in our previous calculation. So that is no more actually 9. Sorry, 27. It is actually 9 in nature. And on the other side, it is actually 45 kilonewton in nature. Clear, everybody? What is happening over here? Not a problem in understanding? Oh, sorry. Not a problem? Hello?
Clear, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm not going much into the details of calculation of these reaction forces. because using the same concept which I have given over here, which summation of h is equal to 0, summation of v is equal to 0, and summation moment around any point is equal to 0, I have calculated this thing for you. It is already calculated. So if you want to have a verification regarding the calculation, you can just do it by yourself and you will get it. Okay, everybody, just do it by yourself and you will actually get it. So this one is 45 kilonewton, on the other side it will be 9 kilonewtons. Okay, now how to solve this thing? Solution का तरीका सब कुछ सेम है. मैंने उस टाइम पे बोल रहा था ना कि the method is not wrong, some calculation mistake is there, somewhere we are not calculating something. That day I actually told, because the methodologies cannot be wrong. Okay, now see, consider joint A, this very thing. Consider joint A. तो joint A से कौन सा members are generating from joint A? What are the name of the members which are generating from joint A?
AD, AB.
AD and AB, isn't it? Yes. So first thing is sum of all the horizontal forces equal to 0. Yes or no? We have to see this thing. Now
Yes, sir.
that, yes, inside joint A, now we are actually doing the calculation for tension coefficient. Now वो global equilibrium equations नहीं है, अभी टेंशन कोएफिशिएंट का ही चल रहा है. ठीक है, बात सिर्फ टेंशन कोएफिशिएंट का चल रहा है, और बात जब सिर्फ टेंशन कोएफिशिएंट का चलेगा उसमें मोमेंट का कोई इक्वेशन नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज यू आर कंसिडरिंग वन पॉइंट है ना. हाउ कैन यू कंसिडर अ मोमेंट अराउंड इन दैट पॉइंट ओनली? तो हर कोई फोर्स जीरो हो जाएगा, मतलब हर कोई फोर्स का इफेक्ट जीरो हो जाएगा.
Yes,
So it's pointless to actually consider moment around any point if you are considering that point in calculation. कभी देखे हो, कभी method of joints पे देखे हो? In all these equations we have used moment equations? No, because है ही वो point. अब तुम इस point के अगेंस्ट में सारे के सारे moment लेना चालू करोगे तो सबके लिए इफेक्ट जीरो हो जाएगा. So it is actually baseless, ना, pointless. It is actually pointless over here. So let's get back to the discussion. So summation of all the horizontal forces is 0. Now what are the horizontal forces available over here? बोलो. वही मैंने बताया था ना, TAD, the tension coefficient, into what? The tension coefficient, is it visible to all of you?
minus x.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So XG, देखो AD में ले रहा हूँ. It's a small trick. AD, I have taken AD. So what will happen? The x coordinate of D minus the x coordinate of A. Okay. Understand this thing very carefully. अगर ये AD ले रहा है तो D minus A. अगर ये AB ले रहा है तो B minus A. See? Clear all? Everybody?
No, sir. Again, please. This line.
अच्छा, this line. Okay. See, the tension coefficient. ये वाला formula कैसे आ रहा है? ये इसको तो तुम पता है, इसका तो पता है. How this is coming? How this entire formulation is coming? ये तो मैंने कल क्लास में बताया था. Yesterday's class I had discussed how this TAD and XT minus XA is actually coming. Or shall I have to discuss it again?
No, sir.
So I'm saying this key. See, देखो, TAD है, हाँ? What is actually like? What is the direction of this tension coefficient? From A to D, isn't it? So in the brackets we'll be considering the x coordinates of D minus x coordinates of A. मतलब reverse calculate करोगे, ठीक है? मतलब reverse consider करोगे. The pattern is like this. Similarly यहाँ पर देखो AB के लिए मैंने क्या किया? B minus A. AD के लिए क्या है? D minus A. That is the thing which I was studying. Clear all now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
TAD. See, x coordinate of D. D का x coordinate क्या है? Isn't it this one? Isn't it this one? D का x coordinate 2 minus x coordinate of A. What is the x coordinate of A? 2 minus 0. Similarly, B का x coordinate क्या है? 2 minus 0 is equal to 36. So TAD plus TAB is equal to 18. Clear this one?
Okay.
Sum of all the horizontal forces. इसका ये equation clear हो गया? Now do the same thing for sum of all the vertical forces. Vertical forces में क्या होगा? Same चीज, बस x की जगह y होगा. ठीक है, same चीज, same thing. Now tell me, at this point or at this joint A, what are the vertical forces that are probably acting? क्या vertical forces है? Tell me. One is that 9 kilonewton. One is that 9 kilonewton. हाँ, no. One is that 9 kilonewton. ये वाला that is one vertical force. And ये जो this thing है, this inclined member, दिस इंक्लाइन मेंबर का भी एक वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होता है which is nothing but this in the last numerical I have solved this. Yes or no? This one. हर एक इंक्लाइंड लाइन का एक हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट होता है एंड वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होता है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that thing, yes. So what is the thing over here? That AD का component है ना? This is the component for the member AD. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this exactly the same thing, and you can see over here, I have just tallied this thing. Sum of the vertical forces is equal to this, and sum of the horizontal forces is equal to this. बस उसको tally कर दो और कुछ नहीं. AB member के लिए ये होगा, therefore AD member के लिए क्या होगा? YD minus YA. As simple as it can get. That's why it's YD minus YA. Now do this thing, and you will find it will be 9. Okay? It will be 9. So देखो ये पड़ा 9 है, ये अपना 9 है, प्लस 9, एंड ये भी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन नहीं है. मतलब ये तो मैंने बाद में बिठाया. These things I have actually put later on. Okay, but actually we have considered this ना. तो इसका vertical जो component होगा ये तो इस तरफ ही होगा ना. It will be actually directed on the upward direction. So that 9 kilonewton is also in the upward direction. ये sin theta component or this vertical component is also in the upward direction. That is why both of them are considered plus. So TAD यहाँ से निकल गया -4.5 kilonewton per meter. Isn't it? It is actually TAD is this thing. Kilonewton per meter. देखो kilonewton force per meter by the length. So this will be kilonewton per meter. Therefore, in the case, what will be FAD? FAD is nothing but force is nothing but the tension coefficient into the length of the member. So tension coefficient ये रहा तुम्हारा -4.5 into the what is the length? Yes. Huh?
Hypotenuse distance. This
Yes,
one. 8.
into the length of this member. What is the length of this member? This AD. Isn't it Pythagoras theorem से निकाल लो. √2 square plus 2 square. है ना? It is a right angle triangle. It's 2 square plus 2 square. It will be this. Which will be how much? It's 2.83. And hence, the force generated inside this will be 12.735. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Everybody. Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
since it is minus, so we have discussed like this. Okay, everybody. So ये सब हो गया. Similarly, I will calculate this TAB. TAB कितना होगा? अगर TAD ये है, this is TAD. Using this TAD, I will put this value of TAD over here, and I will get TAB over here also. It's plus 22.5. Please tally everybody. ये plus 22.5 ही है ना? 18 plus 4.5. Yes, it will be 22.5 itself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will be just the same thing. Okay. So अगर TAB ये है, so what will be FAB? AB का distance कितना है? 2 meters. So just multiply this tension coefficient into the distance will give us 45 kilonewton. Clear, everybody? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Somebody is feeling
sir
something. Yes.
বলছি টিটি এর সময় যে -4.5 আছে ওইটা মানে মাইনাসটা থাকবে না প্লাস করার সময়?
No. See, we have to calculate the forces. Okay. The minus and pluses. কেন minus থাকবে না? Obviously the minus থাকবে. We will consider this minus thing. Now this minus thing is actually indicating if it is tension or compression, nothing else. Okay. Minus thing is actually indicating if it is a tension member or a compression member, or tension is happening or compression is happening. Or most importantly, whatever forces we have selected, that was in the right direction or in the wrong direction. So अगर ये minus है, and if AD के लिए I had actually selected like this, isn't it? Initially I had selected like this. Yes or no? ये वाला जो है अभी. Initially I had selected in this fashion ना. ये जो है तुम्हारा ऐसे select किया था. तो एक्चुअली वो ऐसा नहीं, वो रिवर्स डायरेक्शन होगा. वैसे नहीं, एक्चुअली रिवर्स डायरेक्शन ऐसा होगा. एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई इट इज कंसीडर्ड. एंड इस तरफ अगर ऐसा है तो मेंबर के उस पार भी कुछ ऐसा ही होगा ना, टू काउंटरएक्ट दिस थिंग. तभी जाके मेंबर एक सही जगह पे स्टैंड स्टिल कंडीशन में आएगा. अगर ऐसा हुआ कि उस तरफ भी इस तरफ भी फोर्स आ गया तो इट विल स्टार्ट मूविंग, एंड दैट इज द रिएक्शन ऑफ द थिंग. ओके, क्लियर एवरीबॉडी दिस कांसेप्ट? The plus minus is just denoting
Yes, sir.
if it is compression or tension. That's it. Nothing else. Now consider joint B. Everybody, you told keys to consider joint B, sir. Okay. Now let's consider joint B. Now देख लो, हर कोई देख लो joint B में क्या है. what are the horizontal? Now यहाँ पर क्या किया था हम लोग ने? What we actually did? Hello? What we actually did? Joint A में क्या किया था? Summation of all the forces equal to 0, summation of all the vertical forces equal to 0. Summation of all the horizontal forces भी 0 होगा, vertical force भी 0 होगा. So same pattern मैं यहाँ पर भी follow करेगा. I will follow the same pattern over here. So देख लो क्या क्या horizontal forces यहाँ पर है. एक देख लो ये joint B. How is joint B looking like? Let me draw the figure for you. Joint B कैसा दिख रहा है? यह joint एक इस तरफ है अपना BD, sorry BA, and दूसरा एक इस तरफ है, isn't it? Isn't it? This is how joint B looks like. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal direction में तो कुछ ऐसा ही है ना? Horizontal direction में कुछ ऐसा ही है. So what is this thing? What is this? What is the thing for over here? TBA, isn't it? Now I am moving from B to point A. Yes or no? Everybody. Everybody. Hello. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So please respond once. Okay. Now see this thing. Add joint B.
BA, BD, BC.
BA, BD, and BC. Okay, fine. But we are considering the horizontal forces only. So will we
Then
consider BD? Will we
No,
consider
B-
this BD thing? We
A,
won't.
BC.
That means BA and BC. That is
And
the
BC.
thing which we have considered over here. TBA and pattern में क्या आएगा? X of A minus X of B. Similarly, TBC, X of C minus X of B is equal to 0. And any other external forces happening in that at that very point? No.
No.
तो यही मेरा बचा कुछ आया equation है. To TBA, we know from here only, isn't it? Tata. Just hang on. I think I have it. So please tell me, in BA thing, we actually have this very component, 22.5, isn't it? 22.5 is already known to us. So it would be plus 22.5 itself, okay? I'm telling you why. Why plus I'm telling you. The tension coefficient, I'm telling you why. The tension coefficient, whatever is generating, that is generating inside the system. And whatever is the direction of the force is actually very important over here. So tension coefficient जैसे generate करेगा उसी वाला मुझे यहाँ पर लेना है. यहाँ पर direction से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. अब देख लो ये TAB and this TBA. That means, sorry, this thing I'm separating out, okay, everybody. And this thing, aren't they the same?
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sir.
With the same notation, they will be also. Yes, with the same notation. That means ये भी अगर plus 25 है तो ये भी तो plus 25 ही होगा ना.
Okay.
मतलब they are exactly the same thing ना. It's just यहाँ से भी plus है तो उस तरफ से भी plus है. Yes or no?
Yes,
तभी
sir.
जाके the member is actually in standstill condition. इस तरफ से भी plus 25 होगा और उस तरफ से भी actually plus 25 होगा तभी जाके. Okay. So it is as per the member. So clear everybody, why did I take plus 22.5 in this case? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ये बाकी तो ये बैठा दो. x a minus xb कितना है? What is the x of a? 0. And what is the x of b?
2.
2. 0 minus 2. TBC. Do we have any value for TBC? No. We don't have this. So XC क्या है? What is C? 4.
4
Minus?
minus 0.
-2.
2.
बताओ. TBC क्या होगा? What is TBC? Along with the sign symbols, okay? Minus 22.5 ही आएगा. I'm not wrong.
So minus 22.5.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Kilonewton per meter.
Yes or no? Everybody
Yes,
agreeing
sir.
with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Not a problem in understanding? Hence, क्या होगा? F BC कितना होगा? What will be FBC?
কেমনে হইব
কেমনি হবে মানে?
স্যার এখানে তো 0-2 আছে তো এটা তো -22টা যদি ওইদিকে চলে যায় তাহলে তো এটা 22.5ই হবে
Positive.
এটা পজিটিভ
I didn't observe that. Okay, it's just down to you only. আমি তোমাদের থেকেই ক্যালকুলেশনটা নেই, এখানে থোড়ি ক্যালকুলেশন, I'm not calculating over here. That is the reason why I'm seeking your help. উত্তেজিত হয়ে যাও না, ঠিক আছে? বলো FBC, what will be FBC? Isn't it this plus 22.5 into distance of or the length of this thing? Yes or no? What is the length of BC? It's nothing but 45 kilometer. Yeah. Plus. So FBC भी निकल गया यहाँ से. इसको भी ट्रेन मार्क कर देते हैं, कभी बोल्ड कर देते हैं. Clear everybody? But
Yes, sir.
just happened. Now,
Yes,
ये
sir.
तो joint B पे तो सिर्फ summation of all the horizontal forces हुआ है. Vertical force भी नहीं तो करना है ना. You have to do the summation of all the vertical forces. Summation of vertical forces equal to 0. कर लो. क्या होगा? Vertical forces में क्या क्या है यहाँ पर? ये देख लो. एक भाई साहब यहाँ पर है. Control C, Control V. कैसा है? Isn't it? And there is also one more thing like this. Yes or no? See the diagram, everybody. See the diagram. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, member कौन सा है? ये वाला member कौन सा है? ये वाला. इसका member का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the member? Is it BD?
BD.
So it will be TBD. I thought somebody will say Jalaile. But I called BD. You will say Jalaile. ऐसा record हो रहा है? Record हो रहा है. I have to make sure ना that if I screw up, if I mess up, I will mess up completely. दायित्व नहीं है झोलाओ. So tell me, what will be x of b minus x of b, isn't it? Yes or no?
Sir, y.
Sir, why?
Sorry, y, sorry.
Y, sir, y.
इतना x है चारों तरफ. I always get confused. And anything, any other thing. So this will be minus
54.
0. यहाँ से निकाल दो. क्या होगा? TBD What is YD? YD कितना है?
2
2 minus 0.
2 minus 0.
2 minus 0. Isn't it? Is equal to 54. Or minus 54 is equal to 0. Oh, the answer. What is TBD? Oh, but 27, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 27. Plus 27. Newton per meters. Okay. In that case, hence F dd is equal to rho plus 27 into how much? What is the length of this thing? What is the
Sir,
length
2.
of this?
2
Equal to
2
plus 54,
equal to plus 54
54.
kilometer.
isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ये देख लो, common sense से भी देख लो, यहाँ पर इस वाले beam वाले joint पे, that B वाले joint, there is no vertical force, or only one vertical member is actually there, isn't it? And at that very point also, there is one joint, or sorry, one vertical force which is acting externally. So technically this should happen कि हाँ यही वाला force पूरा का पूरा इस वाले पे ऊपर ही affect कर रहा है, isn't it? This member whatever you are having, यही सिर्फ vertical वाला force actually ले रहा है. So इसके लिए भी ये वाला member पे at C internally it will just carry this loading. Okay, everybody. ये 45 kilonewton है, FBD. और देखो, any other thing left? So what did we do? BCB हो गया, AD हो गया, AB हो गया, मतलब ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, और साथ में ये भी हो गया. Isn't it? This is also done. So what is the only member which is left to be analyzed?
CD.
The only member which is left to be analyzed is CD. So बोलो क्या कौन सा joint लोगे? Which one joint would you like to consider? बोलो बताओ, तुम ही बताओ. You only tell. I will just consider it.
C.
Will you consider joint D or will you consider joint C?
C.
अच्छा,
C.
let's consider joint C. चलो, कोई problem नहीं. Considering and C. Till now, the discussion is clear to all, everybody. Now, what I did was I actually demonstrated what are the members present in C or around C. One is CB, other one is CD, isn't it? There are two members which are originating from that point C. There are two members. So two members के लिए यहाँ पर लिख दिया. And यहाँ पर क्या क्या है? What is any external force which is acting around this, at this point C? Any external force? 45. So it will be plus 45. Yes, plus 45. The horizontal direction. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing V because it is actually vertical. Anybody can get confused. 45 kilonewton क्या horizontally act कर रहा है या vertically act कर रहा है? That is why I've written V over here. Just for your sake of understanding only. मैं क्या करूँगा अभी यहाँ पर same चीज summation of all horizontal forces कोई भी ले लो. It's equal to 0 ले लो. क्या होगा? What are the horizontal forces which can possibly happen around C? C के लिए क्या होगा? बताओ.
PCB.
तो क्या होगा? The thing is actually in the direction of CD, isn't it? CD.
Yes.
So the thing will appear what? T CD, isn't it? इस वाले में क्या होगा? If this is CD, So ये वाला क्या हो जाएगा? X of
D.
E minus
C minus
X of
minus x of c.
You all have actually mastered this thing. Anything else? Any horizontal force acting in this? Yes. CD ka,
C,
isn't it?
D.
Yes or no? ये C B हो जाएगा तो फिर ये B हो जाएगा ये C हो जाएगा. Everybody? All right. I'm just simplifying this. एक बार देख लो कितना कितना है. एक इसके लिए है डायरेक्टली एंड एक इसके लिए है डायरेक्टली. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? बस बता दो एक एक करके बता दो कितना कितना कैसा कैसा आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
बता दो XD कितना था. What is the x coordinate of D point? It's 2
2 sir.
minus
Two,
x
sir.
coordinate of C कितना है 4
4.
plus what is TCD? TCD we have just calculated over here ना. TCD के लिए भी सेम कॉन्सेप्ट होगा. TCD के लिए भी सेम कॉन्सेप्ट होगा ना. ये वाला जो है
Yes.
कंट्रोल C कंट्रोल V ऐसे लिख देते हैं. ऐसा ही होगा ना.
2.5.
So अगर ये वाला चीज if this is 22.5 तो उस वाले में भी 22.5 होगा ना.
Yes, sir.
On the other direction it will also be plus 22.5 क्योंकि direction we are specifying from left to right it is plus 22.5. तभी जाके neutralize करने के लिए from right to left there will be another plus 22.5, isn't it? So ये कितना होगा? We have to write plus 22.5. Clear all everybody? And minus क्या था? Into xb minus xc. That means b का x minus c का x. b का x कितना था? Equal to if I am not wrong, so TCD will be minus 22.5. Minus 22.5. If I am not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Clear everybody?
Yes.
Not a problem in
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Hopefully there will be not. Yes. Therefore, or hence rather, I would write hence FCD is equal to minus 2.5. Sorry, minus 2.5. Can you see the screen, everybody? It's visible, no? I'm just zoomed it out. And what is the length of this thing? What is the length of this CD? Isn't it the same thing as of AD? Pythagoras theorem भी यहाँ पर भी apply करना पड़ेगा. Root over 2 square plus 2 cos 2 square. So it will be 2.83, which is how much?
$63.675.
It's coming plus or minus. It's coming minus
63.675. 3.675.
675. Okay. Everybody? Everybody clear? Now see how many members were
Yes,
there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 members के लिए 5 different member forces are generated. Clear everybody? And this is how we have actually solved out this tension coefficient method. Clear everybody? Everybody?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
All of you. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
actually the answer. This is the solution of the thing. I could solve this thing right in the class because it's a very, very small problem. In this case, it was actually a little bit big problem. And we also had some discrepancies also. So that I have figured it out. Where was the problem? Reaction forces calculation में problem हो रहा था. That is why we had different reaction forces, and that is the thing which is affecting the entire truss. That is the reason why I'm telling you in the next class only. In the next class only, I will be discussing this thing. पहले मेथड ऑफ जॉइंट्स ले लेंगे, उसके बाद मेथड ऑफ सेक्शंस में जाएंगे, ठीक है? The same problem. You will just solve it out, and hopefully, and if you can solve it out yourself, so very good. फिर भी I will just give you a small glimpse, okay, and then I'll move to one of the next few examples. So this discussion is clear to all of you. All of you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not a problem.
Yes,
and
sir.
I understand.
স্যার
কিছু বলছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি স্যার 9 আর 45 যে এখানে ইয়ে রিঅ্যাকশনসটা এসছে স্যার, এটা কি তুমি দিয়েছো কি এটা ক্যালকুলেট
না, না।
করে বের করা হয়েছে?
Reactions, I won't be like giving you this thing, okay? Reactions are always calculated out. Now I've told you in the very beginning, the reaction calculation was actually done in my rough work. I am not showing the reaction calculation here because यहाँ पर show कर सकते हैं. I can always definitely show it, but the thing is, it would have taken time in the class. I would rather, what I'll do is, as text box करके यहाँ पर calculation of reaction लिख के, I will just write all the calculation of these reaction forces in this very space, as you can see. So that
यहाँ पे तो पॉइंट लोड अगर है तो टोटली इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है, तो
no,
ये
no, that is the thing which I was telling. देख लो ना. Suppose this is me. This is me, okay?
oh okay
I'm
sir.
having something on my head also, and somebody is pushing me in this very direction. तो हेड
Okay.
इसके लिए एक रिएक्शन फोर्स आएगा ना, तो तुम
Yes,
कह
sir.
सकते हैं क्या इन द बोथ आवर लेग्स द सेम वेट इज और द सेम मास इज एक्चुअली ट्रांसमिटेड, बट नो, देयर इज अनदर फोर्स आल्सो फ्रॉम दिस साइड, एंड इसके लिए मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा राइट हैंड साइड वाला जो लेग है,
Right.
that will have much more reaction, that will have much more pressure, isn't it? And that is the
अगर
reason.
वो साइड का नहीं होता तो इक्वली होता.
Exactly. If this
Okay.
was not present, it would have been a symmetric thing, na? Exactly the
Okay,
same
sir.
was happening over here. See, यहाँ
Hmm.
पर symmetric है, यहाँ पर ऐसे ही. So that is the thing which I was explaining over here. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, where is it? Yeah. So this is the discussion for today. Just stay back for the roll call sessions. Where are you? Yeah. आ गया भाई. हाँ, ये. Okay, I'm calling out the names. Sharmin Akhtar. Okay. Sharmin Akhtar, where are you? Sharmin Akhtar. Okay, fine. It's one. So, Bonosri Datto. Present.
Yes, sir.
Bonosri Datto is present. Okay. Vishal Ghosh,
Yes, sir.
present. Alina is present.
Present, sir.
Gaurav Ghosh is present. Prashanta Mujumdar. Okay, present.
Yes, sir.
Pratik Datto is also
Present, sir.
present.
Present.
Okay. तो प्रतीक दत्तर पर क्या আছে? Pritam Mallo is also
Yes,
present.
sir.
Priyanka Das present. Pooja Chaudhary present. Pooja De absent. Purnashri Shah is present. Rahul Chandra Das absent. Rahul Devnath is present. Raima is not present. Okay, fine. Raktim Das, next one is Raktim Das. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Reshma Debarma present. Rupon is also present. Rupon.
Sir, I'm present, sir.
Raktim Das is present, I know. Rupon Dev is
Sir, Rupon.
present. Shagor Debarma is, where are you? Shagor Debarma.
Sir, Rupam.
Rupon Dev is present.
Present, sir.
Sagar Debarma is present. Sandeep Chanda is present. So,
Present, sir.
Sandeep
স্যার বলছি বেরিয়ে যাই, আমার ফোন এখন সুইচ অফ হয়ে যাবে।
যাও। পুনশ্রী হয়ে গেছে তোমার।
Sir, present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Sandeep Chanda is present. Sanjeev Tripura.
Sir, left मेरे देवो.
दाओ. If roll call is done, go. Sanjeev Tripura.
Thank you, sir.
Then after Sanjeev Tripura, it's Shubhankar Sen. Then Siddhant
Yes,
Das.
sir. Yes, sir. Present.
Siddhant Das. Then Subhajit Gupta. After Subhajit Gupta, it's Sudeepa Das Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Subhajit Devnath.
Yes, sir.
Tania Devnath.
Present, sir.
Tanuja Marak nahi. Tithi.
Present, sir.
Tushipa, finally.
sir.
আচ্ছা, আর কেউ তো কেউ নেই। So, if your roll call is done, as you have heard your name over here, just like you may leave, okay? Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.